Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rona, and thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling a forgotten about area in my home, the hall closet. This video should give you much needed motivation to tackle a forgotten about area in your home. I want to invite you to prop up your tablet or turn up your television and clean it with me. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. Real fast, if you are still watching, drop in the comments how many coats per person in your household do you tend to save and store in your hall closet. Okay, so I have cleared out the hall closet. It is time to start sorting through some things and kind of being real with myself as far as what is going to stay and what is not. I would like it to be where one side is for the coats and blankets up here at the top, and on this side is more like umbrellas or other cleaning devices and things over here. But other than that, that's about it. I think everybody needs to get one coat and maybe one regular coat, one dress coat, but that's it.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you.
This here is the aftermath. All of this is stuff I have to go through that I need to decide if I'm going to keep it for homeschool or not. This is a cart I have to go through. One of my struggles, I will admit, is paper storage. I always seem to think, oh, but I could use that paper for this and that. And what if the kid, especially with homeschool, what if they struggle? I'm gonna be real with myself. But if it needs to stay, it's just going to go up in my craft room. And then here, I'm not through sorting out these coats and things here, but pretty much everybody has a stack. This is my husband's stack, my oldest daughter, second oldest daughter, third oldest daughter. These are just vests. This is my youngest daughter. These are my things. So I'm going to have to be real with myself.
I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like
So here I wanted to point out a couple of things.
I went by what we tend to use in this room most likely, you know? So those are the things that I kept in the closet, and then the rest of the things I either gave away or I put them up in a different place so that it can be more functional. So here you see me putting up blankets. We do tend to use blankets a lot when we watch movies, so I felt like it would be an easy way to just store them in a bin. I found a way to repurpose an old laundry basket and put the steam mop, the vacuum cleaner, and the broom and all those things in there. I also used the same laundry basket for my umbrellas because I felt like it would be an easy way for, let's just say if they're kind of damp, I can always easily clean out the bottom of the plastic basket. I used this last bin to put in the different floor cleaning attachments. And now for the final reveal. So I'm totally just kidding. This is how it looked at first. Cluttered and just hopeless. I hope you enjoyed this video, you all. It was a lot of work, but it was very rewarding at the end. So tell me in the comments, what is something that you plan on decluttering within the next week? Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.